If you allow the compensation to open access consumers also, there are regulatory issues. The problem is discoms do not want to implement. They resist implementation of such whatever new and good regulations are enforced. I'll give you example of Maharashtra itself. November 2023, amendment was given by MERC to the grid interactive rooftop notification, where the limit was raised from 1 megawatt to 5 megawatt. Nothing has happened. 5 months has gone. Nothing has happened. It is not implemented. Second example from Maharashtra again. Distribution open access was amended in Maharashtra in November 2023. Again, 6 months passed. Green open access was allowed. Nothing has happened. Nothing has been implemented. So either the Ministry of Power should give some regulations or guidelines that if once the regulations are passed, they should be implemented within so and so time, or the SCRC should, in their own order, they should mention, depending on the time required, whatever they foresee. जैसे ग्रीन ओपन एक्सेस है तो इट में रिक्वायर अमेंडमेंट इन changes in the software training of manpower. So it may take 3 or 4 months or 6 months. So let it be. So they should maintain. It should be implemented in 6 months of time. Like simple notification जो है, there is a limit of 1 megawatt is raised to 5 megawatt. It's just a small thing. No training is required. No software major software changes are required. It can be implemented in 15 days, 1 month. What a big deal. Sir, ये problem हरदम रहेगा. You will always see all distribution companies across the state, across the country, they will resist this kind of a change throughout. Always, whatever you do, they will always have some problems. इसका रीजन ये है जो आप ही बताते हैं हमको. हम वो है कि when you apply for distribution license, you get supply and trading license free. Apply for one, get two free. अब हो क्या रहा है, देयर इज अ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. आपने जिसके हाथ में पावर्स दे दिया, सैंक्शनिंग पावर जो नेट मीटरिंग का या कैपेसिटी का, वो हो गया उसी का खुद का जो डिपार्टमेंट है वो सप्लाई कर रहा है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. सो देयर इज अ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट.
So supply and trading should not be with the discom. जैसे ट्रांसमिशन सेक्टर में ट्रेडिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज नॉट अलाउड फॉर ट्रांसमिशन सेक्टर, वैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन is a service provider and should be uniformly openly provide service to everyone.
Yeah. So whatever new licenses they are issuing, they should stop giving all the free fees. And what about the 36 states जहाँ पे ऑलरेडी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लाइसेंस दे चुके हैं, जिसके साथ सप्लाई एंड ट्रेडिंग ऑलरेडी आ गया है. सिंपल वे ट्राइफर्केशन वी हैव ऑलरेडी ट्राइड इन 2003. जनरेशन, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड ट्रांसमिशन वी हैव ट्राइफर्केटेड. सो आज भी जो जिनको लाइसेंस दे चुके हैं उनको भी आप ट्राइफर्केट कर दो. यू गेट इनटू डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बिजनेस एंड लेट देयर बी मोर प्लेयर्स. let more suppliers come into picture so that consumer will service.